Hello, partner. Welcome to TBO. Let me introduce you to our flagship loyalty program, which is TBO Plus Reward Points. Let us understand what are reward points. The points which are credited for bookings made for flights and hotels are called as reward points. Want to know how many reward points you have acquired? Just click on My Rewards and you will see your accumulated and acquired reward points. The accumulated reward points are credited to your account upon booking creation. Acquired reward points are credited on the booking consumption, which further can be used to purchase different vouchers, settle your existing bookings, and more. To redeem your reward points, click on Go to My Rewards. On top right, you will find your tier category. Want to increase your earnings? Then reach your targets early and get upgraded by the end of each month. Hover on the tier, and you see a pop-up stating, "Why am I seeing this?" Click to understand in detail about this flagship program. Continue to enjoy the tier benefits round the year, as we have 4 categories where you get upgraded each month, depending on the business you do with us. This starts with Silver initially for everyone, where you win reward points on all flight and hotel booking consumptions. Annual business of the range $25,000 to $50,000 gets you upgraded to Gold category, where you win 1.2x reward points. Annual business of the range $50,000 to $75,000 gets you upgraded to Platinum category, where you win 1.6x reward points. Want to earn 2x reward points? Do annual business of $75,000 USD and above, and multiply the reward points. Still have any question on getting enrolled in this program? Just click on the below tabs to know more. Get all tier-related information under TBO Plus tiers and stay updated on tier categories. Click on the below tabs to know more on how to earn and redeem the reward points. Click here to move your reward points to the available limit or wallet. Enter the points you wish to redeem and carefully move them in your wallet or available limit. To check the history of your acquired and accumulated points, click on Reward Points History tab. Here you can search individual Booker reward points within selected date range. You can view the reward points as a ledger on the same screen, or we also provide you with an option to export the history of reward points into an Excel. Want to know where all you have used your reward points? We have made your search easy. Click on Automatically Redeemed Reward Points and get the history. Acquired the reward points on the bookings. It's time to enjoy the benefits of TBO Plus Loyalty Program by clicking on Redeem Now. Redeem your reward points instantly on TBO Plus, as we offer multiple redemption options for you, such as sports and events, flights, hotels, and vouchers, along with points exchange program. Let's choose Sports and Events category. Type your desired event or search by venue to choose the events happening in that particular city or country, and hit Search. Not sure what to choose? We have got you covered, as we do provide multiple suggestions here. Just hover on any one of the interested event and choose from the list. For example, let's choose UEFA Champions League under Top Football tab. The search results appear where you can choose to book the tickets with some turnaround time or immediate confirmation, as it is shown in green on tickets. Let's choose the immediate confirmation tickets. As you choose the ticket category, you can also find the total number of points needed to purchase the ticket. Fill in the required details and proceed to book. Proceed by accepting the terms and conditions and hit Continue to Payment. Now let's see how we can purchase a voucher using reward points. But wait, before we proceed, it is important to note that once you purchase a voucher, it takes 24 hours to 12 business days to get it delivered to your email, depending on specific voucher. Refine your search by choosing the filter options such as country, category, and brand. Make sure to choose the correct country while purchasing the voucher, as they are country-specific and can be used only in the specific country chosen. From the range of vouchers available, choose and redeem the desired one. Finalize the voucher and proceed by clicking on Redeem Now. And that's it! Happy selling!